Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a clean with me, which means you can either clean along with me or you can watch to get motivated and then tackle the task later on. Let's begin. So we're going to be doing a teenage boy's bedroom. It's half term and they need things to do, and we decided it's time to actually give your bedroom a deep clean. So this is him putting things away. So as an adult, when you say clean your room, it means a deep clean, but for teenage boys, it's just a quick wipe. So today we're literally deep cleaning that room, including the bins. It is amazing what you'll find in a room where someone claims that they clean their room, but yeah, so we even decided to do the chair because it was very yeah, we just decided to clean it. Because he eats there sometimes, he plays his games, he watches movies, spends quite a lot of time on that chair, so he also needed some TLC. Was very close to throwing away all those cans of prime drink or whatever it's called. He reminded me it's his collection, so I have not. But has anyone even tried the prime drink? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you found this video to be motivating and very helpful, let me know in the comment section below. You can also send me messages on Instagram and tell me what it is that you guys would like to see in terms of the channel, and I do my best to upload twice a week. If not, I do try once a week, but we're still currently working on a schedule. I've just had a baby, so I am trying my best to make things work and find a balance. But let me know in the comment section below, or just send me a message on Instagram. So this is me delegating the job back to him because I have done what I can as an adult. Now it's his turn to put everything away in a way that he likes, because I know everything's now clean and he's putting back his prime. So yeah, that's it in terms of cleaning the room. We're now just going to focus on cleaning some floors. So we're just going to sweep up and then just mop up. This spray and mop is amazing. It gets into those little areas that you really normally would not reach. So I might just do a quick review on that. So look forward to a video in the upcoming weeks on this. But yeah, absolutely enjoyed using this mop. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. You have a good day. Bye.